So we need to make sure as leaders that we're tapping into people's untapped potential. We're seeing in them what they don't see in themselves. We're helping them to get a larger vision for themselves. Today is about us. Speak up. Say something about it. That takes courage. Courage to take risk. Courage to step out and be the only one. As the world changes, and it's changing really at a fast pace, how do we make sure that we're changing at that same pace as well? Do what you say you're going to do and consistently do it.
I was so inspired today that I'm actually going to go back and write a blog and send it out to my entire company on our intranet of just how this course was able to not only wake up and talk about my fears and what I need to do, but help me get to that next step.
Failure is an option if you can learn from it. Some of the most successful people in life have failed. Fail fast and fail forward. You have to get out of your own way. And oftentimes we can be our biggest obstacles. So why do we care so much about what other people think?
Being more self-aware and motivated to be a better leader than I am now definitely is a huge takeaway for me. It excites me to continue on the journey. I'm not done, right?
When you know your why, when you walk in your purpose, you are healthier, you're more productive, you come up with new and better ideas, you're more willing to help other people, you're less temperamental.
She just has a way of empowering people. It just takes you to a different level.
If you can't change the people, change the people.
Change the people or change the people?
If you can't change the people, change the people. And words to live by.
When you've got all this education, you done got all this experience, you got the support network, the only thing that's keeping you back from doing what you need to do and what you want to do is you. You have to get out of your own way. Jump first, grow your wings on the way down.
She's super genuine and authentic and really engaging, and it feels personable even though you're in a very large room of people. She's just talking to me and we're having our own conversation, so it was very nice.
She's speaking directly to you, meeting you exactly where you are.
And she does a great job at being personable, but also professional manner. So you get both sides of the coin, that you know that what she's been through, and a lot of people can relate to that.
I am committed to not only the standards of excellence, but I'm committed to my workers, I'm committed to my team, I'm committed to making sure that people are set up for success. I'm committed to treating people with respect and dignity. I'm committed to doing my very best. I'm committed to bringing out the best in people. I'm even committed to making sure that I leave everything better than when I found it.